Mastering Rust loops for efficient coding. Explore loop basics, control flow, and performance in Rust. Infinite loops in Rust, created using the loop keyword. They run indefinitely until explicitly stopped. These loops are useful for tasks that require continuous execution until a certain condition is met. While loops in Rust execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. They are ideal for situations where the number of iterations is not known beforehand and depends on dynamic conditions. For loops in Rust, used to iterate over collections like arrays and vectors. They leverage the Iterate trait, allowing concise and efficient traversal of elements in a collection. Rust provides break and continue keywords to control loop execution. Break exits the loop immediately, while continue skips to the next iteration. These tools help manage complex loop logic effectively. Nested loops involve placing one loop inside another, allowing multi-level iteration. They are useful for tasks like matrix operations, where managing multiple levels of iteration is essential. Performance optimization in Rust loops focuses on efficient design and reducing computational overhead. By carefully structuring loops, developers can enhance execution speed and resource utilization. Thank you for your time. You can find the content and a reading example in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're open to video collaboration, partnerships, and investment. Feel free to reach out.